What's up, everybody? This is going to be a different video. We're actually going to be showing a loading of a truck that we did. So if y'all have seen any of the differential videos and probably a couple other little things that we did, this is the 95 F150 that we did a lot of stuff to. This truck is going to Canada. It's going to a customer that he sold it to. This truck is in really good shape for what it is. We've done a lot of work to get it to this point, but they wanted to showcase this video of it loading up because it's probably the furthest that I think we've sent a car. And being that it's a really nice video, I mean a really nice truck, not video, but a really nice truck, and that it's going to Canada and hopefully it's going to a good home. But we wanted to do this just to showcase that it is getting loaded up and that it's doing it safely and all this. But we are proud to have this truck going to Canada to a good home, and the fact that it's in such good shape, this is what we wanted to do. And I think the customer wanted a video of it too, so we decided to go ahead and just make a good YouTube video out of it. I know this isn't our normal stuff that we're going to be doing, but it's still car related. So, but this is the truck that is going on. But to say I am a Cummins fan, so hopefully soon I'll have a Cummins. But it's going to be loaded up with that Chevy that's up on the back. Like I said, we mainly did this video just because the customer is really wanting it, and I figure I'd show something different on the channel for once instead of the normal, repair, fix stuff, stuff outside of the norm on our channel. Let me know what y'all think about the truck. It is a 95. It's got 302 in it, 4-wheel drive. We put new tires on it. We repainted some of it along the top where the red is. Put new mirrors. We did door handles. We did window motor. We did, I think, a bed liner. Rebuilt the differential. Probably tune-ups and stuff like that. We did a good bit to this truck just to make it where it was today. But this is what customer wanted, and I don't mind doing it for them. And it's the kind of service that you'd like to expect from somebody whenever you buy a truck. I mean, we want to show that we do take good care of our stuff and that we are doing stuff the right way. It's not a bad looking Silverado on there, if I must say so myself. Got a whole line of cars out here right now. Nice old Ford right there. I mean, needs some work, but make somebody a good truck one day. I haven't really shown this truck up close. I figure I'll do kind of like a little walk around of it real quick before they load it up. Got grabbers on it. There's actually a younger kid that owned this truck, or not originally, but before we sold it. 4-wheel drive works, shifts good. Oh, we put a ABS module in it, rebuilt the cluster in there. I forgot I was telling y'all what we did to it. Went over it and kind of told the guy what it was doing and what we were willing to fix and what he was willing to pay for to fix it, But overall, I think the truck looks good. It's hard to find these trucks nowadays. And it is a 95. I mean, it is getting to the classic stage. I mean, what is this? 30-year-old truck. now, pushing it. Yeah, it's over 25. But the kid who had it took really good care of it. He didn't ever took it out in the mud or anything, so he did a pretty good job of taking care of it. I think it's got how many miles is on it? I think it's right under 200,000, which isn't bad. You know, if you take care of your vehicles, it shows that they can last a while and that they'll do you right. Like I said, we just want to do this for the customer. I know this isn't our normal video, and I know I probably won't get many views off of it, but I just wanted to say, that the person that I do all the used car stuff for, he's a good guy. He does try to help out the customer, and if anything does fail on these while the customer has it within a reasonable amount of time, he will do like a goodwill agreement and get some stuff fixed on it. If it's something that we know that the customer didn't do on purpose, but we'll try to make it right, because he stands by his cars and he does push a good bit of cars through. But the truck runs really good. It's going from South Carolina all the way up to Canada. The customer was going to fly down and drive it back, but I just don't think he had the time to do it. He's probably going to load it up. There's a lot of traffic right now. It's about 4 o'clock in the evening. We gave him time to let him pull off the Chevy. He's going to put this one on first. It's probably going to adjust his ramps a little bit, but he's going to put it on the front, I guess. There we go. Nice. But he's got it up there. I'm gonna let him finish doing his thing. We'll come back and show y'all right after it's loaded and about to take off, show you that it's on its way. But let him do his thing so we ain't bothering him too much and making him feel uncomfortable. And there she goes, people. On her way. Wow, he got out of here easy, especially this time of the day. Well, like I said, this was just a little video we want to do for the customer and something out of the norm that we normally do from repairs. But if y'all enjoyed it, give me a like, thumbs up, and maybe if we do it, have something else like this come up, we'll do it again. But let me know what y'all thought about it. All right, and as always, torque this tight. Y'all have a great day.